What if I told you your bank is paying you less than 2% to hold your money? This is Kenya News Update today. Coming up, you'll discover which Nigerian banks are paying over 8% on savings and why some are paying a fraction of that. The Central Bank of Nigeria just dropped a bombshell list, and the numbers will shock you. Meet Dave Ibamir, a business journalist for over a decade. On January 9, 2026, the CBN published the latest savings rates. For millions of Nigerians, this data changes everything. But here's the twist. This isn't just about interest rates, it's about a silent war for your cash. The CBN's data shows most lenders are paying around 8% per annum. That's the headline. But the real story is in the brutal spread. First Bank of Nigeria tops the list at 8.25%. Globus Bank follows closely at 8.18%. Then you have a massive pack of banks at 8.1%. Names you know: Access Bank, Guarantee Trust Bank, Zenith Bank, United Bank for Africa, Fidelity Bank, Union Bank. Over 20 banks are in this 8% club. But here's what nobody's talking about: the outliers, the banks paying pennies. Stanbic IBTC is offering a mere 2.7%. FCMB is at 4.25%. Ecobank sits at 5.9%. That's a massive gap. Your money in one bank could earn triple what it earns in another. And then something shocking happened. The narrow band in rates suggests fierce competition for retail deposits. Banks are fighting for your savings. Why? Because your deposited money is their fuel. A bank savings rate is the percentage they pay you for keeping your funds there. It's regulated under the CBN's monetary policy framework. They have to pay a minimum based on the monetary policy rate. This list is their battlefield. Here's the part that will blow your mind. This data comes as banks also implement new cash deposit and withdrawal policies effective January 1, 2026. The CBN is pushing for better cash management and security. They want to encourage digital use. So the landscape is shifting. Your money is caught in the middle. The implications are huge. For the average saver, choosing the wrong bank could cost you thousands in lost interest every year. It's a personal finance wake-up call. The controversy. Some say this competition is healthy for consumers. Others argue the low-paying banks are taking advantage of customer loyalty. The tension is real. But the biggest unanswered question is, will savers actually move their money for a better rate? The payoff is clear. Your bank's loyalty might be costing you. Do you know what rate your bank is paying? Check the list. Do you think it's fair for banks to pay such wildly different rates on savings? Drop your take in the comments. Subscribe to Kenya News Update today for more breaking financial news that impacts your wallet.